What up, guys? Back with another quick one-on-one gold plating. You know what I'm saying? First person gold plating. No, I just got this piece for the with my speaker box, bitch. Y'all see how my speaker box is built. That open space there. I don't like it. So what I'm doing, so what I'm doing, I had to get something for that space. You know what I'm saying? So I ordered another piece. Got to go on the grill. Just finna go plate it real quick. Thought I'd talk to y'all while I do it. So I'm back here by myself. And hey, talk to my YouTube family. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man. But I don't know if I can say it enough, man. One, y'all that follow me, subscribe to my page. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I really do. Appreciate all y'all, man. Even if you just watching the page and then subscribe to it, I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't have to waste your time watching. You know, so that's that. But if you ain't subscribed already, don't think about it some more. Don't cost nothing. Go and hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that way you can see when I post something. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hit the bell. If you subscribe, you gotta hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? That way you won't miss none of this. It's good content. Nah. But for real though, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all, man. I really do. You know what I'm saying? The people that's, like I said, the people that subscribed, that's already on my page or whatever. Appreciate y'all, man. I really do. Cause y'all taking time out y'all busy day to watch me. Well, really, come hang out with me. Like I say, it's a hangout, man. You know what I'm saying? Taking time out y'all life. Come hang out with me. And I do appreciate it. You know? I really do. But yeah, getting last minute stuff before we go to this doggone, go to Atlanta. That's all it is. So some last minute stuff before we go to Atlanta. And get this stuff done. Still got a few more things. Friday, I took off work Friday. So I gotta go get oil changed in the truck. I need to pull up on my dog so he can look over the truck for me. You know what I'm saying? And make sure everything running right before I hit this road with it. Which ain't no doubt in my mind it won't make it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, just never know, guys. You gotta be careful. You gotta just can't go out there slipping, because I done seen brand new cars tear up. You know what I'm saying? How this thing get doing, man? Oh, it ain't on the what you call it. Okay, cool. Come on. I need to get me another. Should have put me another mop on here. I think my sponge gone. You know what? Some of y'all probably didn't see that. Told you I don't edit shit. You know what I'm saying? Didn't even have a thing on here, man. You know what I'm saying? My mind all over the place, dog. I'm thinking of ways to do this and do that. Y'all should have said something, man. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, damn, it ain't working. I bet it wouldn't for finna work. Y'all finna see that blooper. Oh shit. Uh-oh, you heard that, didn't you? Heard that pop. Wasn't nothing but my thing coming through. Right, that's it. Coming through. I need to change it out, but I ain't finna change it out now. So I'm really not. Finally finished them wheels right there. They was supposed to come get those. I got them tailpipes right there. I did. For his car. He'll come get his stuff. He'll go and put the car together. So y'all get a chance to see that, because he got to come back over here and get a few more pieces done for the Impala. So y'all gonna follow me with that. Told you, man, we just hang out, man. So go ahead, don't be scared to just, hey, tell people. You know what I'm saying? We don't hang out in the club, so you know what I'm saying? We hang out like this right here. So hey, invite some more people to the hangout, man. Let them know. We just hang out. Look at that blue Magic car. Well, doing Midwest red car. But yeah, man. Like I say, I got too much going on. Finna do this right here. And go put it on the box. So that's it. Add that to the box. Yeah, man. Trying to wait for them wheels to come in. Can't wait for them to come in so y'all can see them. The wheels for Scoop. I'm trying to get Scoop painted by the 4th. Trying to. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm far from rich. Far. And I got bills. So if I can work it in, I'm gonna get it painted by the 4th. And gonna give a new look to it. Tell you one thing, we're gonna be together when we go strip it. Taking that doggone wrap off, man, that's gonna be a thing, boy. I'm gonna need all y'all to help me with that there. That damn wrap is hell coming off. I'll let it sit up some and put that up and down. Let it sit up some and get all that, let that glue get loose in that sun. Oh boy, boy. That's gonna be a task. That's gonna be a big task, taking that wrap off. I started just do the top again, because the top, of course, y'all see the top messing up. And I think that was just some faulty vinyl or something, man, because I'll tell you one thing, I would never buy no vinyl from the people I got the phone wrong. But yeah, I won't get no more vinyl from that company. So I'm not gonna say the company name and put them out there like that. Even though they'll see it, might not see it. Somebody might share my video, which, you know me, you know, I don't care. But because I contacted them and told them it was messing up, showed them pictures, they could give me no excuse. I guess they thought I was trying to ask for a discount or something to get some free vinyl, which that wasn't the case. I mean, I don't need nothing free from nobody. So I just wanted them to see what kind of care of if have it ever happened for anybody else. You know what I'm saying? How that vinyl messing up like that, but they shoot me off. You know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't gonna lie. They said I can go in there and get a 10% discount, but that wasn't a discount for me. That's a discount from new customers. You know what I'm saying? Which I guess whatever. But hey, it is what it is, man. I'm good. I ain't finna use no vinyl. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna paint my shit and call it a day. You know what I mean? If I do use vinyl, I'm not going back with that company. Guarantee you that. You know what I'm saying? That ain't finna happen. So, no. Because I do kind of like the carbon fiber top. But, hey, if I can't find something better or whatever, I'll get it painted. I'll let somebody paint it. Well, I'll let them paint it when they paint the car. You know what I'm saying? And that'll be that. I ain't finna mess with these doggone companies, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, no, ain't finna happen. You know, I mean, like I said, I don't need nothing from nobody. I told them that. I told them that in the email too. I said, I'm not trying to get nothing free. I'm just trying to find out what's going on with it. You know, but whatever. I kind of shoot it off, and that's that. You know. But if y'all guys got them wraps on y'all cars, be careful. They got some new stuff out without this PPF, so meaning they got that protection on it. But Be careful who you get your damn shit from. Because, boy, some of these motherfuckers out here ain't even right when it come to it. Me, if I'm doing some gold, man, and my shit get to messing up and I know it's something that I didn't do, you know what I'm saying, and they didn't do, you can ask anybody. Bad guy. Phone rung again. But, yeah. I'm gonna get off that subject with the rap. Yeah, what it is. What's good, man? Got one of those. I'm looking at that dude, Toe Goat. Need to be repoing car. That joke was so funny. Boy. Say, man, if you're new to the channel, welcome. You know what I'm saying? We welcome all new people. You know, and like I said, I appreciate you taking time to click on my channel, my page. Just don't forget before you leave, drop a comment. You know what I'm saying? Tell me where you're from. I want to find out where everybody from, man. Y'all, I mean, just let me know where most of y'all from. I know it's probably only a few of y'all from here, where I'm from, but and that's a weird thing about it, because you get more support for people that's out of town than you do in town. That's sad, but it's probably like that everywhere. But anyway, yeah, man, drop in the comment section where y'all from, man. Let me know. Just speaking to y'all or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because I do appreciate it. Shoot. But yeah, man. Just before you leave, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I drop videos. I drop something every day or every other day. Something like it might be something like this right here. You know what I'm saying? Me just gold plating some stuff, man. I know all y'all gonna ride with me to the car show. It's supposed to rain that day, man. It's supposed to rain. I mean, rain like bad, but last year we didn't go because of the rain. You know what I'm saying? But this time here, I'm tired of wasting money. We done got the Airbnb, we going. So it is what it is. Last time we didn't go and it rained and didn't even rain in Atlanta. Didn't even rain in Atlanta. No way, man. It's supposed to rain in Atlanta. Didn't even rain in Atlanta. So get up there, man. I want to see my baby while I'm up there, but we need to call her and see where she at. I want to take her stuff up there, but I ain't gonna have room because I have all that stuff on the back, and I gotta keep that box. And then if it do rain, I don't want it to get wet. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm taking the bike back here, and our bags and stuff like that gonna put on my truck, and I don't know. I'm gonna see. Look, I got a TV I need to take her too. You know what I'm saying? But if I take that, I want to be able to sit there and put it together for her. So I'm gonna see. If not, I'm about to go back up there. It was just a quick job here. Something like this right here, I would have charged probably $80 for to do this right here. Oh yeah, I ain't never said I was cheap, but I do good work. You know what I'm saying? You see what I did to 10 wheels though? Man, that ain't the first set of wheels I did like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I ain't want nothing. Just wanted to speak to y'all today, and hope everybody out there having a great afternoon and had a great day. If you're going to work, or have a wonderful day at work, you know. That's it. But oh boy, what my butt thing got? Oh, okay. Scammy count, there's always something going on. If y'all, anybody want some gold plating, hey, get at me. Get in the comments. Or go to my IG page and DM me. I got you. It'll be little stuff like that. I know it's there. Y'all will never know. Y'all will never see it because it's going to be in the truck. Anyhow, so there'll be little stuff like that I get. Get this right here done.
I just left my keys at the repair store. I'm tripping, man. I'm out of pocket, bro.
That TV loud as hell.
I gotta start my day. Who exercise like this?
That's one thing I say I like about these glasses. But I got to do a review on these glasses too. Y'all ain't got these glasses and do stuff like this?
What are you supposed to do?
Good investment.
Oh, I'm thinking you handle it.
Good investment. But get up out of here. Bring y'all back in when I put this on the box. So y'all can tell me how it look. You know what I'm saying? We're going to clean this stuff up. See? Quick conversation. Get y'all in a minute. Alright, see how we want to put this thing in here. I want to go straight with it like that. We'll do like something like that. I kind of like that. Shoot. I kind of like that. That look good too. I think I'm gonna go like this with it. Let me see. Thing about the two-sided tape, it ain't got too many sticks on it. So I'm going crooked with it. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bend. Like that right there. Let's see. See how it looks. Was gonna go crooked with it, but now I'm looking at the crookedness and let me see. You know what? We're going straight with it. Yeah, we're going straight with it. I ain't got no choice but to go straight with it because this motherfucker's sticking. Hope it's straight. I look straight to y'all. Look straight to me. On there it go. Stick. Yeah, forget it. Now, the box look complete to me. You know what I'm saying? Yep, look complete. Oh shit. I gotta get my things right here. But yeah, that look good. It's good enough. I just ain't nobody gonna see it. I just wanted it there for me. Finna order some more pieces too, guys. To show you. To go with the truck. It's time to swap it up. Trying to swap it up and add to it. So